Welcome back to Cricket Analysis. Today we are having Kolkata Knight Riders in our IPL redemption and auction strategies. So let's look into it what we are having today. So let's see first our retained players list.
Hi Rohit, if you look the KKR retained squad, they retain their most of their players. They have their core lineup settled this year. Also, they have retained most of their core lineup. They have five overseas players. Sorry, six overseas players. They retain six overseas players and they release two overseas players. So now let us have a look on their released players.
Yeah, it's quite surprised to see Tom Banton going out, right?
Yeah, it's because they retained Tim Seifert. Both are same wicketkeeper batsmen. Both will play at the top order. So they thought to retain Tim Seifert ahead of Tom Banton because Tim Seifert is in good form recent past.
Yeah, and even they have traded Siddharth Lad for this 2020 year, right? And hardly he had played one or two matches. Is that right, or he
Yes, yes.
didn't played any matches?
Yeah, one or two matches he played.
Yeah, I think he also debuted in Mumbai Indians after being on bench for at least 2 to 3 years, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
Some more the team should give him chance. And Harry Gurney, the fast bowler, he has also gone. And
Last year
Nikhil Naik and
also, yeah, last year also he didn't play because of an injury. He got replaced by Ali Khan and then Ali Khan replaced by Tim Seifert.
oh, there are many replacements in 2020 year. And so, what are the possible options that they can fill this gap by Tom Banton, Chris Green, and Harry Gurney?
Yeah,
So,
there
what
are.
do you think? Whom they will be going on for this auction?
Yeah, they have many possible options. So before that, let us have a look on their person remaining and the slots they have to fill.
Yeah,
So Rohit, if you look this, they have 10.75 crores, the least amount along with Sunrisers Hyderabad this season, and they have to
and
fill.
the both also settled teams, I guess.
Yes,
So they are having only 10.75. But I think Sunrise is having less number of spots to fill.
yeah, they have three slots to fill, whereas KKR has to fill eight slots, two overseas in
I
that.
think, but they won't be filling all the 8 slots. Maybe hardly 3 or 4, because they are always on a tight squad.
Yeah, they are known for shorter squad when compared to other teams.
Yeah, they make what we say. They make more with small amounts.
Yeah, yeah. So Rohit, now let
And
us have a look on the possible options.
yeah, so yeah, Ben Cutting, Moyes Hendricks, and Jimmy Neesham are good all-rounder options. As we can see, last year Russell was almost like he was an liability for the team. He didn't play any good amount of matches, and even he was injury prone. Though he was preparing for the IPL 2020 like an hell, but I think he did somewhat was missing. So I think it is a good option, Rahul, that you have selected Ben Cutting, Moise Hendricks, and Jimmy Neesham as an all-round replacement for Andy Russell.
Yeah, Rohit, if you look those three players, they are in those Ben Cutting and Moses Sendikis are in fine form in this BBL season. Jimmy Neesham, like he also plays for Knight Riders in like in Cape Trinbago Knight Riders in CPL under the same coach of McCallum. So it might be a possible Jimmy Neesham may be picked in this KKR this season.
Yeah, there are possibilities. It's also their own franchise in CPL that also performing well. I think they can also pick Jimmy Neesham as they can fill one overseas slot. And even when we see the two wicket-keeper domestic batsmen, Sheldon Jackson and Kedar Devdar, as we have left only with Dinesh Karthik and Tim Seifert. Maybe Tim Seifert also as an
Yeah, he's
foreign
also
option.
yeah, but then
Yeah,
we
yeah, yeah.
can
Please
backup Indian batsman, backup Indian wicketkeeper
yeah.
batsman. Yeah, they might.
Sheldon Jackson also previously was in Kolkata Knight Riders, I guess, but not that many chances were given.
Yeah,
And they are also lacking in one foreign batsman. Only they have is Ian Morgan as an specialist batsman at the top order, I think Alex Hales would be a good option, I guess.
Yes, because he is in fine form in the BBL this season. He is, I think, second most scorer this season for the BBL.
Yeah, and he's a good
Shakib might
option. And
also be Shakib might also be a good option because he's a complete all round option, bowling and
yeah,
batting.
yeah, and previously he also played for KKR, and I think he can provide good spinning options also, as they are only having Narayan and Varun Chakravarti also did well in the last year. I think, but Shakib Al Hasan will be providing that balance to that team where he can bat as well as bowl some overs.
Yeah,
He's a
Rohit,
good option.
I want to add a point to that. He can also be a good replacement for Naren. If Naren doesn't play, so they can play Kuldeep and Varun Chakravarti, and Shakib can also play because he can bat very good then compared to Naren. He can bowl four complete quota of overs.
Yeah. Shakib is a pure batsman when compared to Narayan, as we can see Shakib batting at any position. Last year, last but not least, last but not that last year we have seen Shakib batting for SRH in one down, two down. We won't see him at that position playing, and he did well at that place also. So I think Shakib Al Hasan is a good batting and bowling option.
Yes, and like they might need one Indian backup batsman for Nitish Rana or Dinesh Karthik. They might go for Gurkirat Singh Man or Hanma Vihari. These are good options available in the domestic right now.
Yeah, I think, and even I have listened that Pujara is also going to be get into auction. I think someone should pick him.
Yeah, just before this, I have saw a stat in 2006 or 2017 under 19 series, under 19 World Cup series. His average is above 116 or something, right? In
Yeah,
T20.
it's and even that is more than Virat Kohli. It seems I have
Yeah,
also read
yes.
that article, and I think, but how the time he is being changed as a test batsman, it's quite surprising, I guess. It's good to see him as in play. Even Ashwin challenged him right in the England series. If he hits a six on an off spin,
Uh,
he will shave him dead.
yeah.
I
So
think he can
those
play that.
type of players should have given chances. They should get some chances to show their
Yeah,
T20 form, T20
yeah.
batting.
And even Hanuma Vihari should be a given chance, and Gurkirat Singh also a good option. We'll see, as in KKR is an always and new experiments, and all the things are new. And even I have heard that England's analyst only as appointed as an foreign player analyst for KKR. Is it true, Rahul?
Yeah. I also read that he will work with Morgan this season in
As
KKR.
in we can say the English captain. I think they can even also go for Jason Roy, as in our Ian Morgan is an English captain. I think there are chances. What do you say?
Yeah, it might be possible. He is also a good T20 batsman where he's an explosive opener for England.
Yeah, it would be a good option, or even David Malan. But David Malan is also an England batsman, but I think he may go for
Higher price.
somewhat big
Yeah.
price, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anything other than these players who you have on mind, Rahul?
No. That's
So what are your possible picks?
possible picks. Maybe uh, Ben Cutting, and one of Gurkirat Singh Man or Hanma Vihari.
Yeah, good options, I guess. And I think I'll go with Shakib Al Hasan this time.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's conclude this video. So we'll see who will be going under KKR's hammer this time on February 18th. And please keep watching Cricket Analysis. Like, share, and subscribe.